A lifted truck is a superior truck. Allows simply run with it rationale for a minute and accordingly celebrate at the news that you would now be able to get the Nissan Titan and Nissan Titan XD with a processing plant approved suspension lift pack. Created by Icon Vehicle Dynamics and accessible on crew cab 4x4 models, it can lift the truck up to 3 creeps by method for customizable stature coilover stunts, custom pole end orientation and unique delta joints. Given the standard ground leeway of different crew cab Titan trim levels, you'd be taking a gander at freedom of in the vicinity of 11 and 13.6 crawls with the lift unit. Nissan brings up that no cutting or penetrating is required. One of the engaging parts of this lift pack is that it is endorsed by Nissan. It will be accessible through Nissan merchants, can be introduced at a merchant, and it won't influence your processing plant guarantee. Nissan appraises the establishment at a merchant would take around 4 hours. It's totally dart on, and Nissan says that it could be effectively introduced and afterward expelled for rented vehicles.